Very good morning, boys. Let's check out the news. What's it today? 2nd of June. Nothing important in the morning. Governor Bailey speaks in the evening. That's for GBP. So we're golden for today. All we have to do now is wait. We have 3 minutes for market open. Let's see what we get. All right, so the XAUUSD is trying to form a 313 pattern. Boys, this is a simple one. If this candle is a green, then price comes back to the supply, we go in. So we're going around 85.33, right? 73. Top loss would go below 83 point. What if, oops. Yeah, so that's a 214 pip stop loss. 3.46 lots. Right there. Shite. Now, scratch that. Turned out to be a red. You can't trade that. Yeah, market is getting manipulated as soon as market start. So that's Tokyo manipulation for you. My God. The horizontal cursor got stuck here. Just gonna reload this. Yeah, now it comes with us. Voice. I. But where do the May month profits go? Oh, wrong chart. These are the two zones, boys. Decent volume in the morning. But we need price to sweep our stop on zones. So Boys, you may be looking at a short here. So look at this, two candle supply. The second candle has been created. If there's a third candle, red candle, we can take an entry here. So let's see. 5960. 8220. Stop loss will go about here. 70. 350 pips stop loss. Let's just calculate that quickly. 350, risking $50. Will be a 0.14 lot. So we still have 17 seconds for it to create. This is a low risk trade, so how much was it? 0.14. Yeah, that's been created. We're going short here. What if I put 3? All right, boys. So short would be from here. Stop loss stays here. If price comes back, we will get in and see what's what. Right now, we just have to wait. Again, boys, look at the signals. 323, 323, right? As simple as that. If price comes back to tap this, we'll be in the entry. Again, this is a sell. It's half the risk because high risk to reward strategy, low win rate. So half the risk, people. Let's see what's what. Nice push to the upside. Let's see if we get tapped in. Come on, I'd rather get tapped in and taken a sell than seeing the price just go in the direction that you want to. Taking a sell is the part of the game, but getting missed by a few pips, yeah, that doesn't feel right. We're getting quite a bit of volume here. Let's see. Even if we get tapped in, it's going to be tricky. Very small SL. Whatever happens, happens. The strategy says is the trade, we take it, we forget it. Almost to the entry point. I haven't been tapped in yet. Let's wait. That's very close. Come on, buddy. Almost. Was one day I'm gonna catch a 1 is to 20 or a 1 is to 40 in life, man. That day is gonna be glorious. Trust me. This strategy has the potential to do it. I started doing live after uh, 2 days after catching a 1 is to 23. I was I was hoping that I could have caught. Okay, we're in. The rest is up to trading cards. If he wants to take the SL, let him be. That's a mighty push. We'll be taken out, boys. Most probably. Yeah, strong buying volume coming in. That's fine. I'm still in it. I don't know for how long, but it's interesting to see he's let me survive for a little bit here. Let's see what happens. If he falls from here, it'll be beautiful to see. Again, boys, this strategy just has a 10 to 15% win rate. So out of every 10 trades I take, I'm only going to win one. Again, that's enough. If you win once, if you get a 1 is to 23, 25 RR, even if you take 20 SLs, boys, you're still in the green. So I don't mind this strategy at all since it has very small stop loss and a huge risk to reward. Every time I'm hoping is just for an entry, and everything else is left for, you know, whatever reasons. Because we know for a fact that we are going to get that one trade, which is going to take care of all the stop losses and give us more, right? So we'll wait. And that's the reason why I take a smaller risk on this trade. Because if you have a humongous risk on setups like these, your account is not going to survive, right? So I try not to. If this runs, it's magnificent. If it doesn't, it's just another trade. That's how you should treat a higher win rate. I mean, higher risk to reward strategy with a lower win rate. If you put too much pressure on it, it's going to blow your account as well as your trading psychology. So you got to handle this delicately. I'm still in it. I don't think for long. Yeah, he came back to tap the break even and then he's flying off now. uh, but still haven't been taken out. Let's see if the trading gods let us survive this one. If not, it's okay. Yeah, taken out. First stop loss for the day. I do see a trade in the opposite direction. Look at this. 3, 1, 3. So if price does come back to this price point, I'll take a long. 4480.135.75. Stop loss will go below here. 13. 259 pips stop loss. Zero point 0.19 lots. But if he did run, I won't be taking this. Let's see if he runs above 1:8. It doesn't matter. We won't be going in. So you should have some gauges, if your trades are running before typing you in, if it runs to almost a TP, then it doesn't matter. You shouldn't be taking those trades. Right now it hasn't. 0.19 lots. Let's put it. Uh, 24. So if he does come back to tap us in, then let's see. It is unlikely, but who cares, man? If there's a trade, guys, always. If your setup says so, your job is to execute. Don't ask questions. Don't overthink it. Don't see if it's pretty. Do not just execute. Close your eyes, execute. What's happening in the futures chart? Yeah, price is taking this small high, but doesn't matter. Our stop and zone goes way above. We'll wait for price to get there. Until then, we'll look at what's happening here. If price goes above this point, this entry becomes invalid for me because anything over 1:8, if price comes back, it's going to come back aggressively. Since the stop loss is just a couple of dollars in terms of USD, I'm not going to risk it. Yes, boys, this trade becomes invalid now, so let's bugger that. And let's get back to, so we're waiting for price to get to the stop and zone. Once it does, we will have an entry regardless. So I'm gonna take off the other entry we were in. Yeah, that's that. Oh, I forgot about Discord this morning. Where is it? Ah, shite. There you go. So every morning I post something on Discord. So that this was yesterday's. Let me find one for today from my gallery because guys, I have a lot of these. So what is it? There you go. Accept your nothing if you want to learn something. All right, this is a nice one. There you go. Accept your nothing if you want to learn something. That is nice, isn't it? All right, almost to zone. Let's see what he does. There you go. Zone tapped. We'll wait for the next candle. But do you have anything else on the left? So the next zone here would be this one. So that's far off. We'll think about it when price gets there. But right now we have a couple of beautiful zones. That is one, and this is the next one. So let's see. If we see a beautiful rejection here, price taps, rejects, we take a sell. If price just breaks through, we look for a buy. Today's the 2nd of June. Anil, great morning, brother. Happy to see you, bro. Thank you for joining. Heavy reaction back down, boys. So let's see how this candle reacts. If the stop loss is too long, I'm not gonna catch it. So just waiting to see the confirmation here. I'd love to see a huge green candle here. That'd be perfect. Because a lot of people will be thinking, look at this rejection, we're going down. And then price says, I'm sorry, I do what I do. Keeps a big candle. Yeah. We get in, we look for a buy. If not, if there's a good signal towards the downside, we'll get that too. But I'm hoping that price makes a beautiful green candle here and continues to the upside. Because look at this. Price took all these people out. People who were sitting in here have been taken out with this wick. And people who got missed and got in this wick have been, again, fleshed out. So all of these stop losses has been taken. What does price do now? Huge push. Another fake out here. If there's a huge green candle, would love to go for a long, but if there's a red one, I'll have to go in because you have to follow your strategy regardless, right? So still have 2 more minutes for that to confirm. So I'm just going to we'll have to switch. All right. If we are taking a sell, stop loss will go 100 pips above this, which is right now it's 97.13, 98.13 would be the stop loss. And it's going to be almost, look at this, 929 pips stop loss. So let's just say 950 pips for now to get an idea. So we're going to risk 0.4% of the account, which is $100. Let's see what happens. So how much was it again? 0.1 lots. Was 1.5 minutes for this candle to close. Let's see what the candle does. It can go either way, boys. Hopefully not the short way. I will let you know if I'm in. I'm still watching. So still 1 more minute to confirmation. Again, if there's a huge bearish candle, we'll be looking for a sell. A huge and green candle will be looking for a buy. So right now, just chilling. 40 minutes, 40 seconds, sorry. 10 seconds, boys. No, I'm not in yet. Nope, wasn't enough. Futures chart kept a green candle, so I'm not in, boys. Waiting for the next candle confirmation for this trade. We have to wait another 4 minutes now to see if we get another entry. Come on, would love to see a huge push. Come on. Three more minutes, people. 3 more minutes. Stop loss might get bigger, but it does not matter. What matters is the entry confluences. If those confluences align, we get in regardless. Yeah, we'll be looking at a much bigger stop loss, but that's fine. Two more minutes. One more minute to go. 1.5 exactly. So just gonna calculate. Even if we're taking it with 1,175 pips, it's gonna be huge. 1,175. We're just gonna get a 0.08 lot. Yeah, exactly 1 minute, boys. 30 seconds. If this candle closes strongly downwards, we're going on a sell. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, fire. I'm gonna sell, boys. I'll show that to you in the future chart. So as you guys know, this is what happened. Price kept a high, came back, low, and then people who are sitting with their stop losses up top has been swept. And now we're looking for price to continue downwards. So that is the idea here. Let's see what happens, but I'm on a sell officially. I'll give you where I'm sitting at right now. So sell, we've gone short here. Stop loss goes 100 pips above this, 26.9, 27.9. And the take profit would be a 1:3. This will be a humongous trade if it hits. Yeah, that's a 1:3. He has to come down, but we're in it now. Now we wait, people. Now we wait. We almost forgot to put the stop loss. $97.18, $98. Yeah. Now we wait. So once I'm in a trade, I don't mind what happens to the other zones. I don't care actually. All we're looking for is a take profit or a stop loss. So anything in between doesn't matter. Wait, the only thing in between might be the C13 strategy. If it does come in between, I would have to close this trade and then go off if it's in the opposite direction. But that's the only thing we'll be looking for in the opposite direction. But if not, we're golden. We're just sitting here. Boys, look at the irony. We might get a 3-2-3 in the sell direction. Let's take this off. Look, the candle has already been firing off. If there's a strong close again below this candle, yeah, I'll be looking for another sell position here. So stop loss would be 105. So that's the entry. 0878. $225 pips. 0.2% risk. Well, he did not close the way I wanted, but it could still happen, right? So 0.22 lots would be this lot size. We still want a strong closure here. And boys, we are in the other trade. I'm just looking for the next entry, which might come in this candle. It's 225, risking 0.22 lost. Well, he's bleeding. What an entry, boys. Right. Yeah, I'll be putting another entry there, 0.22. Sell candle is 615. Oh, 04. 84. Hold on, boys. I'm just putting in a trade. 70, 110. All right. I have put another entry here for the 313 strategy. So it gave me a sell. So we're sitting here. Stop loss just above. It hasn't tapped in yet. So let's see what happens there. So, boys, taking two trades at the same time, it's fine if it's in the same direction. I'm trading with funding pips, so they will kick you out if you have two trades in the opposite direction. So this one will both be shorts. Right now, two trades are running. This one is a stop on strategy trade, which is running in profit right now. And we have we're waiting for an entry on the 313 strategy. So, guys, one, two, three candles, two candle supply, and then beautiful push down. One, two, three. So I'm waiting for this to be tapped. If it does, we'll be in two trades at the same time. So right now, all you do is wait. Since it's in the same direction, we don't mind. We can take both the entries. Yeah, that's why we are in the true trades. Um, So even if he doesn't tap this invoice, hello, something happened in my headset. Can you boys hear me? Something happened. Wait. So we're waiting for this entry. It's going. Thank you. Yeah, it is going. It is going to the entry. Let's see, man. How many lots in limit? Right now, I have 0.22 lots in limit for the sell side for this one, for the 313 trade. 323, yeah. So, see, we're risking $50, 0.22 lots, 225 pips stop loss, right? Yeah. And boys, remember, we're still in profit on the other trade. This is already running. regardless of if we get an entry there or not. This will run until it hits TP down here. So we're already in a sell. Yeah, let me put an alert here in the entry. If it does, it's good. And also, if it goes to a 1:8, I will not enter. Let me put another alert there. So we can forget about that now, at least for now. Now concentrate on this trade that's running beautifully. There you go, boys. Sweet entry, boys. Come on. And all we do now is wait. If I get tapped in, I will get a notification. Let's see if we get that. And guys, remember the 6:30 candle? It'll be coming in 2 minutes. It will give you some volatility, hopefully in your direction. If you're sitting in sales, getting good push towards the downside would be a nice thing, but it is what it is. Hoping will not change things, so we'll wait and see what happens. We will take this off for now because right now it doesn't matter how our price reacts. We're not gonna do anything about it. So all that matters is these 3 points, 4516. That's the entry. Stop loss went above 4528, and then take profit sitting at 482. That's it. Let's see, boys. 10 seconds for the 6:30 candle open. That's the new 4 hour. It brings in some liquidity as well as spikes. I'd love to see us get tapped in. Look at that. I'd love to see us get tapped in and then fall. But it is what it is. No matter what you think, it'll happen the way it wants to. So we wait. The 6:30 officially opened. Yep. This price is moving in our direction. Nice. Boys, I didn't get tapped in on the 313, but the stop on strategy is running. It's a live trade, boys. We're risking 100 on this. If it goes to TP, we'll be taking a 300 profit. And that'll be nice to see. See, the 6:30 candle always brings volatility with it, man. Look at that push down, bro. What a beautiful push down. Because it's a new 4 hour candle. Remember? Anil says, wow. Yeah, bro. Looks good, doesn't it? 6:30 has a ring to it, man. Gives excitement, bro. Anil, are you in a trade, man? OHLC. I don't know what that means. What is OHLC? Uh, yeah. I'm sorry, I don't know what that means. Good. Anil, you're in a short. Oh, power of three. Do you think so? Yes, power of three is simple. Open, high, low, close. Oh, that. Okay, got it. Open, high, low, close, that thing. Okay. So SK Trading thinks that this is the consolidation. Manipulation happened. The price is falling down. Sell entry. Anil, listen to sell entry. Good for you, my brother. I'm also sitting in a sell. Let's see what happens. See? Manipulation. Let's see if there's a 15-minute FV for those people. Yeah, exactly. SK Trading is in a buy. Good for you, bro. Yeah, price consolidated. So PO3 works like this, boys. There'll be a consolidation. Oh, wow. I'm in. The 313 trade is in. So price consolidates, it manipulates into an FV and then gives an inverted entry or an inverted IFEG. So IFEG. So PO3, that is what PO3 means. Power of three candles. That's how that works. So people will be going sell there. Short. So boys, we're also in the 313 trade officially. Look. Look at that entry, boys. Perfectly tapped, but we'll see what happens. So I'm in 2 trades now. 313 has also been entered. Just some clarification on how this works. 3 candles, 2 candle supply, and then 3 candles after. This is the supply zone. Price came in to tap it. Now it's reacting from that zone. So we're in two entries officially. Um, it is what it is. Now we'll see what happens. So we'll move on to the 5-minute chart and see. God. Yeah. Now we wait, boys. Guys, again, the 3-2-3-3-1-3 strategy is a lower win rate strategy. But when it does gives, it will give you huge ones. So don't stress on that. But the stop on strategy has a much higher win rate. So we'll take those trades with higher risks. Then we'll let the 3-1-3 run if it decides. Right. What do you guys think? Will the sell hold or price will push to the upside? Guys, again, I'm $250 away from passing passing my Pips account. So if both of these trades run properly, but we'll pass it today live. Live, my boys, live. If this hits TP from here, bro, we'll pass this. We'll pass the 25K account. So that's a two-step account. So let's see, boys. Right now, it's in good state. But in God's hands. So never get confused, boys. This is always a manipulated candle. We know this. Remember, this is the 6:30 a.m. candle. The job of this candle is to confuse, manipulate, and then the candles after will show you the right direction. Not the exact next candle, but again. So don't get alarmed by the 6:30. It happens. Boys, from this point, I just need $200 to pass. Just 200, man. Let's see. Shot, Doug. Anil. Bro, don't sweat it, man. Do not get excited or terrified when it comes to price moving, bro. Anil, if you want to do this in the long term, do not keep emotions to it, my brother. Bro, it will give it or it won't give it. It doesn't matter, bro. At the end of the day, you know that you have a profitable strategy. Do not tie emotions to it, bro. If you do tie emotions to it, every trade you'll want to exit early, and also you'll want to enter early. You'll start gambling to it. Try not to do it. Anil, it's not easy. I know that. It will take time. You will have to get used to it. You'll have to get price. In your brain, it will play games with you. But Anil, think of this the long way, bro. For you, it shouldn't matter where price goes, bro. All all that matters is at the end of the month where you're sitting, or end of the 3 months where you're sitting. You're a trader, bro. This is also a business. Do not stress over price movements. If you do, bro, it'll be very hard for you when you see losing streaks. Last month, I had on the 313 strategy last month, I had almost 20 losses in a row, bro. Bro, if you're emotional to that, it won't work, man. Having 21 losses in a row and getting emotional will make you miserable. But waiting for your time, which did come, I took three TPs in a row, which gave a 1 is to 23, a 1 is to 12, and a 1 is to 7. So that's what you're looking for. You're waiting, you're hoping, right? Yeah, Price loves to play ping pong with me, man. But I think if we took this low, I'd pass the account. I think that's all we needed. But it is what it is. You get your ass whooped, you get your ass whooped. Yeah, the 313 got bamboozled. Heart should not duck duck. Exactly. Heart should not duck duck. Relax and meditate. Yeah, it's it's very easy to say to relax and meditate, but that is a good advice. You just gotta relax. Taking profits or taking stop losses is part of the game. As long as you're relaxed, as long as you know that it will work, you're golden. See, as price went up, four people left the chat. Four people left live. Uh, Bro, if you're a trader, if you want to do this, expect both outcomes, Anil. Exactly, bro. You're right, man. You have to expect both of it. Just looking price and getting scared of it or getting excited doesn't do well, bro. You just have to let price do its thing and you just have to watch. Just take your emotions out of it and just watch. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Just be calm. Yeah, that's two screw ups for today. Yeah, last four trades are goners. Let's see what happens. We just have to wait, boys. Let price do whatever the heck it wants to do. But the sad thing was price manipulated into a 3-1-3 strategy, man. Bro, with both of those trades running, it would have been a huge win day, but it's fine. We still have that stop and zone trade running. In profits now again. Anil, where was your stop loss, bro? Was it above the high? Oh boy. Boy, price is so indecisive, man. It doesn't know what to do. Took all these people out, took these people out. Now it's just deciding what the heck it wants to do. Imagine we did have a zone here. That entry is on the long side now. So only one of these one of these entries might become true, but we yet to see what's gonna happen. Nice. It'll be lovely to see price decide what it wants to do. Now it's more or less consolidating and taking people out. Yeah, we're getting mother of all consolidations here. Now, boys, if price does decide take the stop loss, I'll be looking another entry in this area since this became a beautiful place for stop losses. Even we became stop ons now. Yeah, yeah, again, more of a consolidation, people. Yeah, price is near the entry, is still consolidating. We'll wait. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I've been called on for T, boys. I'll be back in 10 minutes after tea. Guys, I will be back. Um, Hold on, you boys. We'll let the trade run. I'll come back and say hi to you guys.
Nice push though.
I'm back, boys.
Almost to
Almost to
T.
T.
Sorry,
Sorry,
almost to
almost to
TP.
TP.
So
So
we
we
always
always
gotta
gotta
wait,
wait,
boys.
boys.
So
So
look at the
look at the
consolidation
consolidation
here.
here.
If you're
If you're
letting your
letting your
emotions
emotions
run
run
wild,
wild,
your
your
headspace would
headspace
not
would
be
not be
good,
good,
man.
man.
But the
But
end
the end
outcome is
outcome
all
is
that
all that
matters. Look at
matters. Look
this.
at this.
Now it's
Now
just
it's just
falling
falling
like
like
a
a
bunch of
bunch of
bricks.
bricks.
You always
You
have to
always have to
wait for
wait
the
for
end
the end
outcome,
outcome, people.
because
Because
at the
at
end
the
of
end
the
of
day,
the day,
that's all
that's
that
all that
matters.
matters, man.
I think
I
this will
think this
be
will
the
be the
live's
live's
first
first
TP
TP
in
in
live.
live.
Sometimes I
Sometimes I
just put
just
the
put the
trade on
trade
and
on and I couldn't
couldn't
continue
continue the
the
session.
session.
Hopefully
Hopefully,
this
this
TP will
TP
be
will be
hit
hit
in
in
live
live
itself. I
itself. I
have
have
an
an
hour and
hour
a
and a
half.
half.
Let's
Let's
see
see
what
what
happens.
happens.
But it's
But it's
getting
getting
hot in
hot in
here.
here, man.
It's not
It's
even
not even
7:30 and
7:30
I
and
can
I can
feel the
feel the
heat
heat
coming through.
coming through.
Boys,
But
also
also,
this is
this is
not
not
a
a
small
small
take
take
profit,
profit,
bro.
bro.
It's
It's
almost
almost
3,400
3,400
pips.
pips.
Remember,
Remember,
this
this
is
is
not
not
small. This
small.
is
This is
almost
almost
3,500
3,500
pips.
pips.
You
You
put it,
put it,
you
you
forget it,
forget it,
you let
you
it
let
run.
it run.
Simple.
Simple.
Bro, I
But I
think
think
we are the
we are
only
the only
community that
community that
catches
catches
this
this
big
big
moves
moves
almost every
almost
day,
every day
because
because
everyone
everyone
else I've
else I've
seen
seen
they
they
catch
catch
10
10
pips,
pips,
20
20
pips,
pips,
50
50
pips, and they
pips, and they
say,
say,
mate, I
mate,
got
I got
50
50
pips.
pips.
Or you
Or
have
you have
other
other
swing
swing
traders,
traders,
bro.
bro.
We are not
We are not
seeing
seeing
swing
swing
traders
traders
here.
here.
We
We
trade
trade
live.
live
We
We
take
take
huge
huge
trades
trades
within
within
single
single
sessions.
sessions.
That's how
That's
this
how this
works.
works.
Catching
Catching
10,
10,
20
20
pips is
pips is
not a
not a
huge
huge
thing.
thing.
I've
I've
seen
seen
people
people
put an
put an
entry
entry
as
as
soon as the
soon as
price
price
moves
moves
10
10
pips in
pips
their
in the
direction,
direction,
go to
go to
break
break
even.
even.
Bro,
Bro,
nah,
nah,
that
that
doesn't sit
doesn't
well
sit
with
well
me.
with me.
Getting
Getting
10
10
pips and
pips and
then
then
break
break
even,
even, bro.
come on.
Come on.
This is
This is
already
already
running in
running in
1,500
1,500
pips and
pips
I'm
and I'm
still
still like,
let it
let
run.
it run, baby.
No
No
break
break
evens,
evens,
boys.
boys.
For this
For this
strategy,
strategy,
zero
zero
break
break
evens.
evens.
The
The
only
only
time
time
I'll
I'll
consider
consider
putting a
putting a
break
break
even is
even is
when
when
on
on
paper
paper
the
the
trade has
trade
hit
has hit
TP,
TP, but I've been left out with the spread. That's the only time I'd consider. But other than that, bug it off. I ain't taking break-evens. Price can come and take my SL anytime it wants. It's there for taking. Boss, I'm just gonna close my window. It's getting hot in here, man. Yeah, much better. Yeah, price is wicking down like crazy today. First wick, here's the second wick. It wants to go down, but it's getting pushed back up. So first time it happened at 6:30 a.m. candle, then got pushed up again now. Huge wick. It's been trying to get pushed up. I think Anil would have got a TP by now. Bro is also sitting for a sell. I'm not sure if he's still here. Anil, if you are, bro, let me know what happened. Yeah, still running above 800 pips. Boys, 450 needed. I mean, look, we got 1,000 pip SL, and the TP sits at 3,778 pips. That's how it's done here, boys. We catch huge trades, not 10, 20 pips here, man. Catching 10, 20 pips is easy, boys. The goal is not to catch 10, 20 pips and then go break even. So, boys, this is not a mock trade. It is running. I would have loved to see where Anil was sitting and if he got his TP yet. But I don't think he's here still. Bro, if you watch this again, text me in Discord, man. Let me know what happened. He was petrified that the price was going up earlier. It's not anymore, man. It's going in your direction. It's going down. And boys, it's just a matter of time. I think this will be the first TP live. Come on. Very silent today, boys. Everyone's silently watching, man. No one wants to talk. What's going on, boys? Are you in any trades? Finally,
educational
educational
purpose
purpose
only or
only or
financial
financial
advice?
advice?
No,
No,
man.
man.
By no
By no
means
means
I'm a
I'm a
financial
financial
advisor,
advisor,
bro.
bro.
This
This
is
is
just
just
educational
educational
purposes.
purposes.
But I'm
But I'm
taking this
taking this
live
live
though.
though.
Let
Uh,
me show
let me
you.
show you.
For me,
For
this
me,
is
this is
running, but
running,
it's
but
up
it's
to
up to
you.
you.
Look,
Look,
this
this
is a
is a
live
live
trade for
trade for
me.
me.
But for
But
you
for you
guys, you
guys,
can
you
learn
can
from
learn
it.
from it.
Search
Search
education
education
purposes.
purposes.
Is that
Is
clear?
that clear?
Not
Not
bad.
bad.
Good
Good
advice.
advice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I like
I
that.
like that.
Because
Because
listen,
listen,
everyone has
everyone
their
has
own
their
thing.
own thing,
They
right?
have
They
to,
have to,
take their
take
own
their own
trades.
trades.
For me,
For
you can
me, you
learn
can
from
learn
me
from
or
me or
anyone
anyone
else,
else,
but it's
but it's
just
just
learning,
learning,
right?
right?
Do not
Do not
copy it.
copy it.
If you
If
can
you
learn
can
it
learn
and
it and
apply it,
apply it,
I'm very
I'm very
happy. But
happy, but
copying it
copying it not
is not.
is
It will
it will
not
not
work in the
work in the
long
long
run.
run.
Can I
Can I
ask you
ask you
something? Go
something?
ahead.
Go ahead. How long been since you? How long has it been since I've
Started
started
trading,
trading?
bro?
Bro,
Started
started
trading
trading
full
full
time
time
two and a
two
half
and a
years
half years
ago.
ago.
So it's
So
been
it's been
almost
almost
900
900
days
days
since I've
since I've
started
started
trading full
trading full
time.
time.
Even
Even
before
before
that, I
that,
was
I was
trading.
trading.
I
I
started this
started this
2021,
2021,
but
but
not
not
full
full
time,
time though.
bro.
Bro,
The
the
only
only
difference will
difference will
come when
come
you
when you
start doing
start
it
doing
full
it full
time.
time.
That's
That's
when
when
you'll
you'll
get to
get to
see
see
the
the
actual
actual
difference.
difference.
So
So
if we're
if you're
talking
talking
full time
full time
trading,
trading,
it was on
it
the
was on the
19th of
19th of
December
December
2023.
2023.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Really
really
appreciate the
appreciate the
questions.
questions, my friend.
Why
Why
you
you
said
said
9.5%
9.5%
gain?
gain
Instead, your
instead your
profit
profit you
you
dropped
dropped
there?
there, bro.
Bro,
Profits.
profits,
It
it
depends
depends
on
on
what
what
account
account
size you're
size you're
trading,
trading,
right?
right?
So you
So you
don't want
don't
to
want to
encourage
encourage
people or
people or
discourage
discourage
people
people
in
in
terms of
terms of
showing
showing
how much
how
money
much
you
money you
got.
got.
At the end
At
of the
the end of the
day,
day,
sometimes it
sometimes it
will
will
discourage
discourage
people.
people.
If you're
If you're
showing
showing
$10,000,
$10,000,
$15,000,
$15,000,
people will
people will
think that,
think that,
man, that's
man,
not
that's not
possible,
possible,
right?
right?
It's all
It's
about
all about
psychology, bro.
psychology, bro.
If
If
you're
you're
discouraging
discouraging
people,
people,
that's not
that's
the
not
whole
the whole
purpose of
purpose
it.
of it.
And I don't
And I
want
don't want
to
to
give out
give
fake
out fake
signals. I
signals.
mean,
I mean,
fake,
fake,
what do you
what do you
say?
say?
Fake,
Fake,
fake
fake
things
things
out
out
that
that
I'm doing
I'm doing
great or
great
I'm
or I'm
doing
doing
not
not
bad and all
bad and
that
all that
stuff.
stuff.
I'd much
I'd much
rather
rather
stick with
stick with
what the
what the
percentage is
percentage is
like.
like.
So let's
So let's
say
say
today I'm
today
just
I'm just
having a
having a
25k
25K
account,
account,
but
right? But
tomorrow,
tomorrow,
if I'm
if I'm
trading
trading
with
with
500,000
500,000
capital,
capital,
that
that
9.5% will
9.5% will
be a
be a
lot
lot
huger, right?
huger, right?
So
So
people will
people will
think
think
that
that
initially he
initially he
started
started
small
small
and
and,
he'll give
I'll
out
give
some
out
mixed
some mixed
signals.
signals.
I just
I
want to
just want to
keep it
keep it
percentage
percentage
wise
wise
because
because
any
any
account you
account you
trade,
trade,
this
this
won't
won't
change,
change.
but the
But the
numbers will.
numbers will,
But this
but
is
this is
stagnant.
stagnant.
So I
So
try
I
to
try to
keep it
keep it
percentage
percentage
basis.
basis.
It's all
It's all
about
about the month ends P&L, my brother, in terms of percentage for me. Sorry, man, I can't see your name here. It says Sun FX PR Gold. Excellent trader, showing how much you have, but instead showing how much you gain. Exactly, bro. It is not about, thank you, man. It's not about how much you have. It's all about how much you can gain per month. However big your account is, it doesn't matter. You can still make it, right? Making 10% on even let's say $3,000 is good amount of money, bro. A month, right? Thank you for the questions, brother. It's nice because it was very silent in here. Thank you for the questions. Guys, any of you guys can ask questions. I'm here to answer. This trade will run to either TP or SL, I don't mind. So ask away. In YouTube, how long started? I'm fairly new to YouTube, and I think this is just my fifth live session, and only have 10 to 15 videos in YouTube itself. It's just been a couple of months, but I'm planning to do this for a long time, help as many people as possible. Um, so yeah, you can also join my journey. I'm still a new trader. Haven't passed a 25K account yet. Do you trade live daily? Yes, I do. From 5:30 in the morning IST until 9, I think. So from Tokyo starts to another 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours. You're good in English. Where from you look Indian. Thank you, bro. I'll take that as a compliment. I am a South Indian. I'm from Chennai, but my schooling was good. So, and also I lived in Canada for around 7 years. So everything helped. But I'm a pure South Indian, though. Oh, yes. I see a lot of traders in YouTube. Most people, them Indian, but only few can talk English. Nice, nice conversation, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Yeah, a lot of traders talk in their native language. For me, I want to help as many people as possible. So English is the right way to go because regardless of where you guys are from, you can understand English. But if I talk in my native tongue, which is Tamil, a lot of people will be left out, right? So I try to do my best, and I do appreciate the kind words, my brother. Raj, welcome back, my brother. Great morning. Raj, have you taken a trade, bro? I have. I'm sitting on a sell for a while now. Was almost went to TP, but yeah, now he's no, bro. Just came back to desk. That's good. That's good, bro. Nice to check this. Need to check the setup. Sure, please do, man. Already took two more trades today. This is the third one. Hope you have passed the fun. No, bro. No. I was very close, Raj. I was very close, man. I saw the price in my eyes, so I could see the $1,250 running, but I couldn't capture it, man. I went there twice and came back. The price came back. If I closed it in the what do you call in the spreads, the price will come down, and again I'll lead like $5-10. Bro, twice I came close, bro, and I got four back-to-back stop losses. So I still need quite a bit. Look, see this one is running with $65. Bro, I still need well over $400 to pass this, man. So Raj, hopefully I'll do it live. Definitely not with this trade because this will just give me 300 if this goes to take profit. We're just sitting right here around 448. Even with that, I won't be able to do it. So in this for a long run, bro. Let's do it together then. Yeah. Thank you for remembering, bro. Anil is back again, still holding trade. Good, bro. You're in shorts, right? So where is your TP, Anil? Where is it sitting right now? Are you using funded account or own money? Bro, I'm using funding pips. So I took on a challenge to pass this. A two-step funding pips account. It's a 25K funding pips account. So just to prove myself that I could do it. And bro, it's been quite a while, bro. But I'm very close to passing this one though. Hopefully we'll do it. Bob, nice try. Good luck. Hope you catch it. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, my man. Yeah, I do need a lot of luck because, bro, believe it or not, I was $38 away from passing it, and I closed the trade by mistake. I thought 5% target of a 25K account was $1,200. And I closed it at 1,212, thinking that $1,200 was the profit. But my trade ran way above, man. I had $400 more if I just let it run. So it's very close, my brother. Yesterday, my trade was good. Captured 6,000 pips. That's amazing, Raj. 6,000 pips, bro. We're talking big money, man. Good for you, man. Happy for you, Raj. Great work, bro. Raj, was it a sell or a buy yesterday, brother, that you took? You're welcome, bro. Sell for morning. I've shared my view also. That TP. Oh, yeah, I think I saw that. Good job, my brother. Guys, this is why I don't take break evens. Because listen, if you took a break even at, let's say, if you put it at 1 is to 2, price came down almost to 1 is to 2.3 and then went back, right? Um, you're more likely to be stopped out in majority of the trades, man. If you've done the analysis, if you know that, you're confident enough to go into a trade with all your confluences, why take a break even, boys? Just let it run, bro. At the end of the day, you'll get a profit or a loss. It's fine. Oh, new channel. I thought you have 11K subscribers. Haha. No, bro, this is pretty new. Uh, I have 114 that's showing right now. Hold on. Yeah, I have 114 subs. We just hit 100 2 days ago. 3 days ago, I think. Yeah. We'll grow this though. Trust me. Bro, it's just been above a month. For any channel to grow, it takes 2 to 3 years. But I'm just happy with where I am right now. 115 subs in a month, bro. I'm happy. The trading gods have been good for the last month. As you can see on the screen, we took 9.5% last month alone. Most profitable month of my trading career. So going good, my brother. What if you try to go live in short? Um, that is a good question. Bro, I cannot show what I'm trying to do better in shorts. I think going live in the bigger screen is nice, and also trading. It's not a simple thing to show in a very short window. So anyone who wants to join in can join in here in the long form. But I'm glad that 100 people have already done it. So I like this. I like showing every bit of it because it gets complicated in a shorter screen. We'll plan the trade. We'll plan the trade after 1 hour candle close. That's good, bro. So let me see. What is 1 hour doing? The hourly, yeah, Raj, as you can see, we took this top hunt. Look at this hourly candle, bro. The next hourly candle almost went to TP. Now we're just waiting. So Raj, what do you think? Do you think it'll be a bearish day or a bullish day, man? A lot of trader use short live because maybe short is fast to growing channel to gain more subscribers and viewers. Yeah, yeah, I totally agree, bro. I totally agree with that. Um, I just want quality rather than quantity. Here, it's much easier for me to show what I'm thinking and also other people to understand. Bro, it will grow eventually. I don't want to rush it. I just want to do it the right way. Yeah, it is a great idea though to do it on the short format, but there is just people scrolling and they scroll it faster if you're 1 in 100. But here you'll have to tap in to come see me, right? So I've already sold you to come and watch. Now it gets much easier. People stay for a bit. Bullish. Raj is bullish today. Good, bro. I still have one more trade with stop and strategy today. So if it doesn't go to TP, if I take an SL, I will trade another. I'll take another trade. Wow, nice kid psychology, not the hype, but a real true trader only. Haha. Absolutely, bro. Anyone can watch, a live session in shorts because it's a random swipe, right? But here, if you're a trader, if you want to see about trading, you get into the link. So I feel that is much better. I want people who serious about trading here, who want to be positive about trading. They can, watch and join the community. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. People who are serious about it, people who are positive, people who want to grow with other people. So that's the crowd I'm trying to attract. But after 999, sorry, 4495. So you're talking spot, right? 4495. Oh, you're waiting for this high to be taken, right, Raj? Good man. I get that. Yeah, boys, this is much better to converse with you guys, man. I was sitting idle for almost an hour and a half. It was not fun, boys. It's always nice to talk to someone. What's the difference in spot and futures? Bro, the the chart itself is different. Sometimes futures is the leading chart, you can say. So futures will give you price, I think, a second or two. And also, there is a small difference, bro. I'm not exactly sure about the difference, but the pricing changes, and also sometimes futures takes a high and spot doesn't. In my backtest, what I've seen is my strategy works much better in futures chart, the stop and strategy. But for the other strategy, I have the 313 strategy. I do use the spot chart. That works better in the spot chart. So depend upon the strategy, the backtest I've done, just the results. That's why I use futures, Raj. People come and leave, but it's a subscribers because you're good, an excellent trader. Maybe they stay to watch and learn. Like I'm new here, but okay, yeah, people come and go, but just a few stay. I do this for just a few people that do stay because, boys, I do have the results to show it. Um, so look, this was the last month. We killed it in the 313 strategy in the last 3 days. You were asking this, right, bro? Look, showing money is easy, but percentage-wise, it's much better. Just with this strategy, I just risked $50, bro. Risking 50 and making it 1,500 in a month is huge. With all the SLs, I took 14 SLs for that strategy. And once people realize that, this trade is good and he has the results to back it up, they will stay. And those are the people I want to stay. And even if you get one or two subs, one or two people who like your trades per day, that's more than enough for me, right? Hi, I'm new here. What's your strategy? Dude, 1.25 RR? Absolutely, my brother. Welcome, Precise Trader 123. Welcome, brother. Um, yeah, bro. One is to 25 RR. This strategy, I let it run, bro. So it was a great end to the month. 1 is to 25, 1 is to 12, and a 1 is to 7. Yeah. And the month before I did catch a 1 is to 23. That was in March. But bro, this strategy, I call this 313 strategy. With this one, bro, the win rate is very small. I just have a 10 to 15% win rate, but as you can see, if you do get wins, you get huge ones, right? So the strategy there is simple, bro. Let me explain that to you. So I did manage to catch one today, but holy shit, bro. I totally forgot that. Oh, today I did take two trades in that, so that is done. So, bro, the strategy is very simple. This is what I'm looking for. I want three candles prior, one supply, three candles after. So this will become the supply for me. And when price comes back to this, I'll long it here. If I'm trading, so I've already taken two losses for the day with this strategy. So this strategy is done for the day. So this is the strategy, man. It's fairly simple, bro. You see the indicator that fired off? Said 313. Yeah. So this is simple. So if price comes back, it taps this and then continues or takes an SL. That's how this works. And for the strategy that you're seeing on the screen right now, this one is more of a structural strategy. So price creates highs and lows, right? And highs and lows. When it does that, people will sit with their stop losses like we're sitting right now on top of these highs and lows. So you can call this liquidity. I call this stop hunts. When price goes, takes these positions, we enter after a strong rejection or a continuation. So that's how the stop hunt strategy works. So these are the two strategies I've got. It's been pretty successful in the last 3 months. Let's see what happens. I'm this close to passing an account, but let's see, man. Guys, if you're new here, if you have any questions during non-trading times or non-live times, you can text me. The link to the Discord is in the description. Congrats. How long did you start? Thanks, bro. I started 2.5 years ago, man. Believe it or not. Haven't passed one yet. But this time, I think I will because I've combined both of my strategies and it's giving good results. But yeah, it's been a long journey, my brother. I used to trade Bitcoin before. It's not a stable thing. It's getting manipulated very badly nowadays, so I've stopped doing that. So now I only trade gold. Whatever he gives, I take. Raj, bro, I think you will get a setup soon, man, because it's gonna take me out. YouTube recommend me this channel. I thought it's bad, but not at all. He only considered only here. Thank you, brother. I'll take that as a huge compliment, man. It means a lot. Bro, taking stop losses is part of the game, man. Listen, I was only right 33% of the trades last month, and I still had a 9.5% month. So I don't have to be right all the time, boys. That's how this works, man. Raj, yeah. Is this your live account or prop? This is the prop account, bro. I'm in the second phase. See, so I need 1,200 to pass this account. Sorry, 1,250. See, I'm making the same mistake again. So I'm very close. Hello? 1 second, boys. 15 minutes. Yeah, that was my wife. Yeah, I have to go take breakfast soon. But this is very important zone. Yeah, Raj, I agree, man. Boys, if I do get taken out, I will look for another trade since this is also a zone for me. Remember, low, high, and then a huge low. So two zones have been created, one here and the next one is here. So if this one gets taken out, I will look for a buy or a sell depending upon what price does. Yeah,
Looks
looks
like
like
this
this
high
high
has
has
been
been
captured.
captured.
Let's
Let's
see.
see, man.
If
If
this
this
15
15
minutes
minutes
is
is
having
having
wick,
wick,
I'll
I'll
take
take
sales.
sales.
Sweet.
Sweet.
I'll
I'll
watch the
watch the
15-minute
15-minute
chart.
chart then.
Raj,
Raj,
just for
just
you,
for
my
you, my
brother.
brother.
Now it
Now it
is
is
wicking.
wicking.
Let's
Let's
see.
see.
We still
We
have
still have
11
11
minutes,
minutes,
bro, for
bro,
this
for
to
this to
close.
close.
Are you
Are you
single,
single,
brother?
brother?
No,
No,
man.
man.
The
The
person who
person who
called
called
earlier was
earlier
my
was my
wife.
wife.
So I'm
So I'm
married.
married.
It's
It's
been
been
it's been
it's been
almost
almost
nine
9 months
months since I
since I
got
got
married.
married,
So
so
not
not
single.
single.
Bro, I
Bro,
got
I
a
got a
question for
question
you.
for you.
How
How
old do
old
you
do you
think I
think I
am,
am,
man?
man?
Let's
Let's
see.
see.
Let's see
Let's
what
see.
you
What do
guys
you guys
think.
think?
How old
How
do you
old do you
guys
guys
think I
think I
am?
am?
Guess.
Guess.
Congrats on
Congrats on
9
nine
months.
months.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it,
Appreciate it,
brother.
brother.
It's
It's
been
been
good.
good.
Bro,
Bro,
okay.
okay.
Bro, I'm
Bro, I'm
sorry,
sorry,
man.
man.
I
I
didn't
didn't
catch your
catch your
name, bro.
name,
It'll
bro.
be
It'll be
much
much
easier to
easier to
call
call
you by
you
your
by your
name.
name.
Calling you
Calling you
precise
precise
trader
trader
one
one
two
two
three
three
is
is
not
not
nice.
nice.
Okay,
Okay,
I
I
guess you
guess you
look
look
35
35
years.
years.
Okay,
Okay,
28
28
32.
32.
Nice
Nice
guesses, my
guesses, my
boys.
boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
actually, I'm
actually, I'm
31,
31,
boys.
boys.
I'm
I'm
31.
31.
Got
Got
married
married
9 months
9 months
ago.
ago.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good
good
guesses
guesses
though.
though.
But
But
35,
35,
bro,
bro,
that
that
hurts,
hurts,
but it's
but it's
fine.
fine.
Who
Who
cares?
cares?
Oh
Oh,
my
my
bad.
bad.
That's
That's
fine,
fine,
bro.
bro,
That's
but that's
fine.
fine.
I
I
don't
don't
mind,
mind,
bro.
bro.
Age is
Age is
just a
just a
number.
number.
So
So
it's not
it's
a
not a
bad
bad
thing.
thing.
Nice,
Nice,
congrats.
congrats.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Raj.
Raj.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
It's
It's
been
been
going
going
good,
good,
bro.
bro.
I was
I was
scared.
scared.
I
I
was
was
absolutely
absolutely
scared,
scared,
boys,
boys,
to
to
get
get
married.
married.
But
But
trust
trust
me,
me,
God has
God
been
has been
nice
nice
for
for
in
in
that
that
segment of
segment
my
of my
life.
life.
It's
It's
going
going
good.
good.
No
No
chaos.
chaos.
It's
It's
just
just,
it's a
it's a
good
good
graph,
graph,
boys.
boys.
You
You
need
need
baby,
baby,
bro.
bro.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man,
Soon.
soon.
She's
She's
also the
also the
same
same
age.
age.
No,
No,
bro.
bro,
She's just
she's
4 years
4 years
younger to
younger to
me.
me.
She's
She's
27
27
now.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Son,
Son,
baby.
baby,
Maybe
maybe
after
after
Jan.
Jan.
Let's see,
Let's see,
bro.
bro.
Too
Too
soon,
soon,
man. You
man.
have
You
to
have to
enjoy
enjoy
life
life
before
before
that.
that.
Family
Family
plan.
plan.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
bro.
Life
Life
goes
goes
on,
on,
man.
man.
You
You
gotta have
gotta
a
have a
plan,
plan,
especially
especially
when
when
you're
you're
an
an
entrepreneur
entrepreneur
like
like
me.
me.
You
You
gotta have
gotta
a
have a
plan,
plan,
right?
right?
Boys,
Boys,
this
this
is
is
what I
what I
do
do
for a
for a
living.
living.
I'm a
I'm a
full-time
full-time
trader.
trader.
That's
That's
awesome.
awesome.
Thank you,
Thank you,
bro.
bro.
You
You
have
have
any
any
busy
busy
time in
time
life?
life?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
I'm
bro, I'm
pretty
pretty
busy.
busy.
um,
Um,
so yeah,
so
I
yeah,
was
I
just
was
gonna
just
say
gonna say,
Raj.
Raj.
So I
So I
trade
trade
Tokyo
Tokyo
sessions,
sessions,
right?
right?
So
So uh,
hold on.
hold on. Sorry.
So
So
I
I
trade
trade
Tokyo
Tokyo
sessions.
sessions.
I
I
start
start
trading
trading 5:30 in
5:30
the morning
until
until
12:30.
12:30.
So
So
London
London
starts.
starts.
So
So
that's my
that's my
trade
trade
timings.
timings.
After
After
that,
that,
I
I
chill
chill
for a
for a
bit
bit
and
and
then
then
do
do
YouTube
YouTube
videos,
videos,
editing
editing
stuff, and
stuff,
all
and all
that.
that.
Uh,
Um,
yeah.
yeah.
So
So
I
I
only
only
trade
trade
Tokyo
Tokyo
sessions.
sessions.
If
If
if the
if the
313
313
stay,
stay,
I
I
take a
take a
313
313
trade.
trade.
I
I
let it
let it
run
run
until
until
Tokyo and
Tokyo
I
and I
close
close
it
it
before
before
Tokyo
Tokyo
begins.
begins.
I'm
I'm
sorry,
sorry,
London
London
begins.
begins.
My
My
bad.
bad.
And
And
for
for
the
the
stop
stop
hunt
hunt
strategy, I
strategy, I
just let
just
it
let it
run.
run.
It
It
runs
runs
until it
until it
goes
goes
to a
to a
stop
stop
loss or a
loss or a
take
take
profit,
profit,
regardless of
regardless
how
of how
many
many
days or
days
how
or how
many
many
hours it
hours it
runs.
runs.
So
So
that's
that's
how I
how I
work.
work.
Yeah,
Yeah, bro.
I
I
love
love
watching
watching
series
series
and
and
movies and
movies and
whatnot.
whatnot.
That's my
That's my
favorite
favorite
time
time
pass. So
pass. So
I
I
do
do
that in
that
the
in the
afternoon,
afternoon.
and
And
later in
later
the
in the
evening,
evening,
YouTube
YouTube
stuff.
stuff.
Can you
Can you
set your
set your
live
live
stream
stream
that
that
we
we
can
can
notify
notify
it
it
and
and
join
join
your
your
live
live
stream?
stream?
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
bro.
Subscribe
Subscribe
to
to,
if
if
you've
you've
already
already
subscribed.
subscribed,
Just
just
have the
have the
bell
bell
icon
icon
on.
on.
Whenever
Whenever
I
I
come
come
live,
live,
you'll get
you'll
a
get a
notification
notification
two or
2 or
three
3
minutes
minutes
before.
before.
So
So,
yeah, bro,
yeah,
you
bro,
can
you
join
can
me
join me
live.
live.
But
But
regardless,
regardless,
majority of
majority
the
of the
days I'll
days
be
I'll be
here at
here at
5:30 in
5:30
the
in the
morning,
morning,
Indian
Indian
Standard
Standard
Time, if
Time,
you're
if
in
you're in
India.
India.
Where you
Where you
from,
from,
bro?
bro?
Sun
Sun
FX.
FX,
Oh,
oh
Gold
Gold
1M.
1M.
Where you
Where you
from?
from? I'm
From
from
Asia.
Asia.
I'm
I'm
from
from
Asia.
Asia.
Guess
Guess
which
which
country,
country?
bro?
Bro,
Huge,
huge,
huge
huge
sample
sample
size,
size,
bro.
bro.
But I
But
will
I will
try.
try.
Um,
Um,
okay, you're
okay, you're
from
from
Asia.
Asia.
You're
You're
here with
here with
me
me
during
during
Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Bro, I'm
Bro,
gonna
I'm gonna
guess
guess
India.
India.
I
I
might be
might be
wrong.
wrong.
Tell me,
Tell me,
bro.
bro.
It's an
It's an
island?
island?
Oh, it
Oh,
is
it
an
is an
island.
island.
Sri
Sri
Lanka.
Lanka,
Is
is
it?
it?
Not
Not
India.
India?
Okay.
Okay.
Might be
Might
Sri
be Sri
Lanka
Lanka
then.
then.
Yo,
Yo,
Anil
Anil
is
is
in a
in a
re-entry.
re-entry.
Good,
Good,
bro.
bro.
You
You
still in
still in
shorts?
shorts?
Far
Far
from
from
ocean.
ocean.
Far
Far
from
from
ocean.
ocean.
Okay.
Okay?
Far
Far
from
from
ocean.
ocean.
Yeah, Sri
Yeah, Sri
Lanka is
Lanka
an
is an
island.
island.
Philippines.
Philippines,
Even
even
Singapore is
Singapore
one.
is one.
Alright,
All right,
I'm
I'm
running
running
out
out
of
of
guesses
guesses
now.
now.
Tell me.
Tell me.
Anil has
Anil has
taken a
taken a
re-entry for
re-entry
the
for the
cells, I
cells, I
think.
think.
Bro,
Bro,
I've
I've
still
still
not been
not been
taken
taken
out.
out.
I'm
I'm
still in
still in
this
this
trade.
trade.
God
God
knows what
knows
will
what will
happen.
happen.
Boys,
Boys,
I
I
mean,
mean,
more
more
island.
island.
More
More
island
island
than
than
Sri
Sri
Lanka
Lanka
or
or
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Far
Far
from
from
land.
land.
Far
Far
from
from
land.
land.
What does
What
that
does
mean?
that mean?
Bro, are
Bro,
you
are
on a
you on a
cruise
cruise
ship,
ship,
man?
man?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
ran out
ran
of
out of
guesses,
guesses,
man.
man.
Tell me.
Tell me.
Boys, I'll
Boys,
be
I'll be
done
done
in a
in a
couple of
couple of
minutes.
minutes.
The
The
trade will
trade
be
will be
running.
running.
You can
You can
join my
join my
Discord.
Discord.
I'll
I'll
update
update
all
all
the
the
entries and
entries and
exits
exits
there,
there,
and you
and
can
you can
talk to me
talk to me
there.
there.
It's
It's
jungle
jungle
here,
here,
bro.
bro.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
okay.
So you're
So you're
not in
not
an
in an
island
island
then.
then.
Uh,
Uh,
jungle.
jungle. You're not in India, not in Indonesia, not in Sri Lanka. Jungle. Don't no clue, man. I give up. Do you know Mac Arthur? I do not know Mac Arthur. No, to be honest, I don't. Is that where you're from? Is that even a place? Mac Arthur Douglas. Let me check, man. Mac Arthur Douglas. Dude, seriously? Looks like a United United States Chief of Staff, man. It's him. He saved our country from World War II. That's awesome, bro. Listen, man, my timing today is done. It's 8:45. I gotta freshen up and go on with my day. But you guys can join my Discord. The link is in the description. You can talk to me there. Brother, we can have this conversation in the Discord too. Just text me there. So thank you so much for joining, boys. It's been a it's been an okayish day. Let's see where this trade goes. But after this, I will still be looking for these two areas. One is this one, and the next one is this stop and zone. So this is another stop and zone. Stop and zone. So once price comes, takes either of these zones. So if it takes this first, I'll be looking for anything from here. But if it doesn't take this, I'll let it run to take profit. But if it does take this and then come here, I'll look for another take here. So that's me for today. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, Raj. Bye, my brothers. See you guys tomorrow. Take care.